Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade the workbench in Windrose. Now currently I have a workbench right here, and if you're wondering how you can build that, press down B on your keyboard and then press right click. And over on the crafting and utilities, you should be able to find the workbench right here. Now the thing that you are going to need to upgrade the workbench is a sawhorse right next to it. And if you check to the description, it will say workbench upgrade and it only works within the bonfire range. It requires at least 20 pieces of wood and 10 pieces of copper ingots. Now in case the sawhorse hasn't popped up on your blueprints for your building mode, you probably haven't discovered copper ingots. If you check over to your journal right here, go over to discovery, and then I press copper ingots right here, it will show that there's new building elements available. For example, the weaponsmith workshop, the cutting table, and the sewing rack that we are going to make. Once you have discovered the copper ingots, you will be able to have the blueprint for it. Alright, now I have all of the materials that I need to place down the sawhorse. Alright, now before I place down the sawhorse, if you check over to your workbench right here, and over on the top left, it will say workbench 1. Once I place down the sawhorse, this should display workbench 2. Now let me just press B on build mode, place down the sawhorse right next to it, close it, and then go to my workbench, and as you can see, workbench is now workbench 2. So you pretty much effectively upgraded your workbench by placing it down. And that's pretty much about it on how to upgrade the workbench in Windrose.